It's very exceptionally clear tonight, so I thought that I will not go out, but I will have use this brass telescope. And this is what I did. I put the brass telescope on the table. It's a D40mm Opticron telescope made by Kenko, famous Japanese optical company. I'm doing observation from within the room. It is a warm place, through the double glazed window and by the mobile phone camera. Visually, there is not much chromatic aberration, but the camera lens introduces that naturally. At the same time, the double glaze doesn't help it. But anyway, let's see how what we can see from the moon. And yeah, I'm going. This is 20 times eyepiece. Let's see how it is. I just try to adjust the view. As you can see, this is just a few hours before the first quarter. 6 hours probably around that. And as I zoom, you can see a lot of details. I can see the many of the Terminator area craters, and most of the seas are visible, the ones that are near the edge of the moon, and some chromatic aberration to the top part of the image. Visually, it was not much, but because of the camera lens, this is also added to this a little bit more exaggerated. Now let's see the Jupiter. Visually, I could see the two of the satellites around it, but the camera probably is not very sensitive to show it. This is the Jupiter. They are to the right side of the image. And that was very interesting. I could use a brass telescope. This was the first time. I expected that brass telescope not be as good as a normal telescope, but you can see that there is some flickering because the Christmas lights are yet on. So ignore those things if you can. That was a beautiful experience.